they're already agreeing to like the first pitch, basically. So they want this. So they
Mhm.
get their contact info. So would the order bump be on the next page?
Nope. Order bump will be on the same thing. So it'll actually show on step number two. Go and access the checkout element. Just click on that directly or
Here.
just like right below that area to add an element. If you click on the element itself, it should show up or show the settings. Yep, right there.
Okay.
And click on that, and it should show the settings on the right-hand side of the page. After that,
Order
um,
bump.
exactly. Yeah. So click on that. Now
Okay.
it's already on. So like you just need to actually add another product to be that order bump.
Okay.
But it will show up on that second step, and that's what we're previewing right now. When you if you want to see the different stages that people can go in and how they look, up here there's an
Uh-huh.
option for a checkout preview. Right. So we're currently in step two of two, and that's where the
Okay.
actual order bump will show.
Okay.
Um, Click over here on the left-hand side. It should stay in that area. Now, there's no actual order bump added, so that's why we're not
Right.
seeing one within a preview itself either. But when you add one, it
I do
should.
want to add one.
Oh, do you
So
have one already created?
yeah.
Oh, okay, cool. Let's go ahead and just actually we can do it from here. Click on the checkout again.
Okay.
Go to product select right here. Oh, right here.
Here.
Yep, there we go.
Okay.
And then click on edit products. You can even set like a you know how you like you can highlight a specific product. You can do that on that page as well. So if you want one to show up saying best value for that 99 or 97.99
I
package, you
do
could
want
do
to
that.
say that.
You could do that.
I
So we'll come
okay.
back to it. Don't worry. Click on
Okay. Ah,
yeah,
so
exactly. You're in the right
is that what
area.
I wanted to hit?
Yep,
Okay.
you're 100% correct. Now just select the product that you want to be used. Here is
There's
that order bump.
this. I need to take a picture of the cover, but this, oh, I need to change the price on that too.
It's not, yeah, you can change it at any point.
Okay. Yeah,
Now,
this is just a collection of comics.
nice. Heck yeah. And just drag this one by the little two lines there down to where it says order bump. Yep, right there. Beautiful.
Okay.
Okay. And see that added over here on the left-hand side as well. So if you click out of the settings for adding a product, just over on the left-hand side of the page, now
Okay.
click one more time on the left-hand side. I know I have a trillion arrows in that area, but
I'm lost.
click right here.
Delete your arrows.
They add up so fast. But here's the order bump. It's showing right here. That's
Okay.
it. So it's gonna be right before they actually check out completely. By default, the product is gonna just it's gonna be there. It's already selected, but that's where the order bump itself will display.
Okay.
Now, if you want to actually view it, then you just save and preview, and now you can
Let's
view it real time.
save, preview. Yeah, I have like this standalone collection of Mormon themed comics, and I'm like, that would make a great order bump.
Heck yeah. I mean, I mean, everything's comic themed. You might as well. And now to test it out, just fill in information. I do test information personally. In order to get to step number two, you have to
How do you?
actually, so for email,
Oh,
yeah,
okay.
like you don't have to use an actual email, but that works too. Perfect. Um, for address when testing, I like to use Old Tester Road. That's somehow an actual
Okay.
location. Um, yeah,
Okay.
cool.
Next.
Okay, there we go. And just like that, you have everything added. If you want the order bump, click on it, and it'll change up the value down here in the summary,
Okay.
and that's it.
So I need to put some verbiage over here. Wait, don't miss out on this.
Yes.